starting the day on my way to meeting up with Ali. If you've followed me on Instagram and checked out my website, you can see the custom succulent bite patches that I made with her. So before going to my workshop, I met up with her in her apartment. That is so cool. Like, Ali is a chain stitch master, upcycling master, incredible talented artist that works in slow fashion. And I remember the first time that I met her, it was at a Fab Scrap event, and it was because of her jacket. Like, she makes the most cool upcycled embroidered jackets that you must see. Her website is ontrendsshop.com. Oh my god, and Ali also works at Canvas Store. So if you go to the Oculus Mall at World Trade Center, you will find her there, and you can stop by, say hi, and bring your clothes to get them custom chain stitch upcycled by her. Like, just contact her. She's a shining star. And I sent her the illustration. She's like, yeah, I'm on it. And I'm like, Ali, you're amazing, you're incredible. And then afterwards, after I met up with her, I did stop by, got a smoothie, and on my way to the library to teach the elastic hem workshop. At this workshop, I was with Dalma and Damar, and it was just so cool getting to talk to them, talk about sustainable fashion, upcycling, and getting together, all of us, and sewing. I did not videotape the whole workshop.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by.
But pretty much we took this shirt that I thrifted and then created a hem elastic hem, and then from the leftover we made scrunchies. So it's like 0 waste all together. And right after the workshop, you know what we're getting? Food, because food is life in this channel. If you know me, especially, like, food is life. We cannot survive without a nice meal. Like a few months after, but I wanted to include it in this vlog. Another workshop that I got to have the shining opportunity to teach is how to make headbands from leftover fabric. I met Isabel through my friend Vicky, and thanks to Vicky bringing me to Isabel's exhibition, I made all of you guys. And this is all about what Carousel is about. It's about community, making fashion con sazón together. Whenever we get to meet in person, have these workshops, talk, share our knowledge, share our experience, and just hear why you're upcycling, who you're gonna give it to, where you come from within the community. Are you a designer, interior, are you an accountant? And getting to see that and experience learning together while we make is so incredible. It's warming, it's real, it's interactive, and that's what being a fashion instructor is all about. I can upload tutorials, I can write these DIYs, but it's when we have these events and we get to hug, talk, laugh, have those real life experiences, is what makes it so real and incredible to just know each other and see that our clothes carries on those moments, those memories. Whenever you now make a headband, or whenever you make a scrunchie from leftover fabric and upcycle it, it was something that you learned in person and can attach to it memories of laughter, of joy. For me, being a fashion instructor is like being a fitness instructor. I'm here with tutorials so you can follow step 1, 2, 3, but when we get in person, in the gym, in the sewing gym, to just sew together, that is what keeps on the motivation, because I am here to provide motivation, energy. I'm here to provide the motivation that you need. It's not letting you stop. We're going to do this together. That is what Carousel is about. That is what me as a fashion instructor is all about. I am providing the motivation you need, not letting you stop, and we are going to do this together. We're going to sew, and you're going to wear your me-made clothing made con qué? Con sazón. Alright stars, so this is the outro of the video. Like, I wanted to make sure to give a proper outro because like the vlog does say day in the life, but it's been like a couple of days section into just showing you guys a time as a fashion instructor. Like, whenever I get to have the workshops in person, it's so amazing because we get to chat, talk, I get to share with you guys like the amazing lifestyle approach of slow fashion and taking fashion on as a holistic approach. It's like, it's the why Cara Style exists and why the DIY kits, the guides, all the educational tools to look at fashion through the lens of a holistic point of view matters. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe, comment below your favorite part of the vlog and any questions that you might have getting started, or also information about workshops. It's all in my website. Like, you can go to my website. I also post in my Instagram, so you can come to the next one next time around. Keep on shining stars. I hope you've enjoyed it. Keep on sewing, shine, making your own fashion con sazón. Siempre con sazón, con spice. Look at Xbox. The little baby's still growing. Alright guys, so I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure to come back every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesdays are vlogs with Cara and Sundays are sewing tutorials with Style. All done in Cara Style. See you next time.